I caught some fish. Yeah, I caught some fish. Alright, right there. Trying to get one trout. Wow, small fish. Oh, I caught some fish. Caught some trout today. Wow, small trout. I only caught one right there. Trout. Wow, small trout. Oh my God. Today I come over here at the vet.park border highway fishing again for the trout. Winter fishing. Got bite a couple times, but cannot get no fish yet. Let's see how to get some luck today. A lot of people fishing too. Kind of windy today. Oh, miss it. Miss it. Alright. Maybe too small or what? A lot of people have the fun over here at the vet.park. You look around, a lot of people will have good time along here. So far I caught some fish today. A nice thing. Stuff in here. A lot of people fishing too today. I hope catch some. I got first bite already, but nothing in there. Try this one. Take my bait already. This one. Got two pole today. Today's Sunday, a lot of people fishing over here too. Nice weather. Oh, they take my bait again. Why? They're gonna put new bait in. Wow, the big one.
Oh yeah, oh nice, good size one.
Wow, look at that. Nice trout. Oh,
There we go.
got another one over there, small one like me.
Oh, but I got hit. So I was like, oh man, I got to keep him now. Yeah, he swallowed the hook too deep.
Yeah. Oh yeah.